All right, guess where we are? We're back at the famous building here in Houston with Alex today.
Hello.
What are we gonna be doing?
We're gonna check out these elevators. Should I press the button?
Go ahead and call it. Got that one right there.
Oh, we're on level 3.
Yeah, this is level 3. All right, someone's coming up, so.
Thank you.
What floor are you going?
19.
Let's go to. Look at this, Alex. 2020. Look at this.
Gosh, Happy New Year.
That is. We're in the year of 2020. Yep. Happy New Year.
Happy
Blasting
New Year.
all the way up. Woo!
Jim is high energy today.
And we got a princess laughter in the elevator.
Oh my goodness.
Well, thanks for laughing on camera with me. And it just gets better and better.
Oh my gosh.
Otis Lexan fixtures from 1989.
Have a good day.
You too, bye-bye.
What do you think of that lady, Alex?
She was nice, wasn't she?
Oh, absolutely. Oh, look at the elevator doors.
Oh wow.
They're like,
Different up here, they're black.
yeah, they redid the elevator doors from the looks of. Or I think I've actually seen this since when I went on the elevator shop with Alan. Are you here 20, or should I say 20?
Nice. Should we go back down?
Yeah. Why don't you send it down to the lobby?
Okay.
That bell.
I love it.
Whoa, this is fast. Do you feel how hard it started?
It is moving fast. I can feel it shake a little bit.
Yeah, these travel about 700 feet per minute, and the low-rise travel 350 feet.
Wow.
Why don't we go for one more ride, and we're gonna end here and check out the low-rise ones.
Okay. Shall we go back up to 20?
Yeah,
Okay, ready?
you can come in. Your floor?
15. Oh, 14.
Jim knows a lot about elevators.
These are Otis Lexan from 1981. These are fast. You feel how hard it started?
I know, we're shaking a little bit, huh?
Yeah, I see.
Thank y'all so much.
I want you to listen to that bell.
Okay.
Listen to the bell when we reach to the 15th floor.
Okay.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna get you.
No worries.
Listen,
Wow, very cool.
it's chime happy.
Thank you so much. All right, here we go. 2020.
Yep, we're going to 2020. Whoa, did you feel how hard it started? All right, let's get on to the lobby. Now, listen when the door opens. Wait for it.
There it is.
What do you think of that bell?
That was nice. All right, down we go. Last ride.
Whoa.
Feels like we're flying.
We are flying. This time we're gonna watch the button go out. All right, now I'm gonna point the camera kind of down low because there's people coming back and forth.
Good plan.
All right, these are the rest of the elevators. Now let's go to the low-rise banks. See, that's the high-rise elevators that we came off. Now we're gonna ride the low-rise ones.
Oh, look at these escalators too.
Oh yeah, I guess I'll include that in the video after this one.
Okay.
Now send it up to 12. Now I'm just gonna hand the indicator right here with Alex.
So me in it? Am I in it?
Yeah. Like this. Oh, look at that dance move. That was great.
Let's see if it rings the bell again.
Well, you have to press the button in order to do it. Now, why don't we get off at 12 because I want to get that elevator cart in the other side.
Okay.
Right across from it.
Okay.
Listen, Alex. I want to get that one right there because this one has one of the best chimes that I've ever heard. Alex already called it.
Good. Hopefully we get this one over here. Yeah.
This one. All right, this one's coming.
Yay, we got it.
Listen, did you hear that? What did you think of that chime?
Yeah, it's nice.
That's a movie star chime. All right, let's go into the lobby.
There we go.
And we'll go for one more ride, just I'll let you listen to that chime. And that is the movie star chime that I was telling you about.
Yeah.
This is just similar to the other elevators that we rode. These are your fixtures. I want to hear that chime again. What did you think of that bell chime?
I like that one. You want to go back up?
Yeah, we'll just go back up to 12. Go back up to 12. Sample the chime and come back down.
Okay, we're on 4 right now.
All right, have a good day.
You too, thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, go back up.
That chime.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna stand over here this time. You can get in it while I pan the indicator.
Stand over here.
Yep, there's Alex in front of the indicator. See right there.
Here I am. Oh, this button is kind of crooked.
I'll look at that later. Now, don't press the button yet when the door opens.
Okay, well.
Oh, it just rang!
I hear that.
You know what? Are you coming down?
Yes.
Your floor?
11. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. All right, now let's see what the chime is on this one, Alex.
Okay, we'll listen for it. See if we can hear it.
Oh, nope.
No chime.
No chime. Bummer. All right, now which one you said the button was crooked?
This closed door button right here.
Oh, look. Oh my gosh.
It's kind of crooked.
I can't even turn it either. Look at that.
No.
Usually the buttons usually turn and turn when it's crooked, but this one it isn't.
Maybe you can tell somebody they can fix it.
Yeah, hopefully I will. All right, here we are at the lobby. All right, now here comes the escalator part. See, look, that's the escalator right there. It was just recently replaced, you see right there. I got the parts from these escalators, so you can step on it.
Okay.
See, this is the escalator here. These used to be...
Look, it looks like some Texans cheerleaders.
Where?
Right here. Looks like they're coming in.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that cool?
Are they okay being on camera? Because...
I don't know.
Oh, hi.
Say hi, Jim.
Hi, everybody. Oh, thanks for showing that. All right, now we're going to go up.
Okay.
See, now this is the up escalator. You can go on, step on up. See, we got Alex today.
Look, there's the Texans mascot, Jim.
Oh, wow.
Maybe we can try to get a picture of you with him. Would you like that?
Yeah, let me stop the camera as soon as I get off the
Okay.
escalator, so we will go from there.
Okay, perfect.
Up ahead is Alex on the escalator. Now watch how she steps off. Watch, see? She steps off the escalator in an orderly fashion manner. So what did you think of that tour?
That was awesome. Thank you so much for the tour, Jim.
And with that being said, that's gonna be it.